Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram video not playing on iPhone. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Telegram application. Once you have logged into your Telegram account, if any of your video is not playing, what you can do is, first thing you need to do is to check your internet connection, but your issue is still not resolved. What you can do is to minimize this and open Play Store, and after that you need to check Telegram application update. If your application require any update, here you just need to click on as update. After that your Telegram application will be successfully updated. But your issue is still not resolved, then what you can do is to minimize your Telegram, and after that you just need to tap and hold to your Telegram application. Click on app info, click on storage section, and you will find clear data. Simply click on clear data and clear cache from here, and after that at the top right corner click on clear local database. After that your issue will be successfully resolved, and that's it. Now you know how to fix Telegram video not playing on iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.